Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set OxygenOS 16 Flux lock screen with custom videos on your OnePlus device. So let's begin. Okay, first go to Play Store, search Wallcraft and simply download Wallcraft on your OnePlus device. After download, simply tap and open, tap on continue, select Edge, and after open, look at this guys, many beautiful wallpaper available on this app. Look at this, all categories, parallax, video. Simply tap on video and look at these video wallpapers. Guys, look at these anime wallpapers, many beautiful wallpapers, video wallpapers available on this app. Simply select, look at this fish wallpaper. Many people ask me about this fish wallpaper. Then simply tap and download. Guys, look at this is premium wallpaper. Then simply tap on unlock for 10 coin and simply tap on get coins. And tap on this option and earn coins one by one. Look at this, I have 5 coins. Now guys, look at this, I earned 1 coin. Now I have 6 coin, but 10 coin required for unlock this video wallpaper. Then again earn coins like this. Now look at this, I collect 10 coins. Now simply tap on unlock for, tap on unlock, and look at this, my wallpaper is unlocked. Simply tap and download. Look at this, my wallpaper is downloaded and save on gallery. Now look at this in gallery. Guys, look at this, my fish wallpaper save on gallery. Now let me show you how to apply this video wallpaper on your Flux lock screen. Then simply go to setting, go to home screen and lock screen style, tap on all Flux theme, select this mountain Flux theme. Now look at this, tap on wallpaper, choose from album and select this fish wallpaper. After select, if you want to cut this video, then you also cut this video like this. Then simply tap on resume. Now look at this depth effect option. Simply tap on depth and AI identify this video wallpaper for apply depth effect on clock. Now look at this depth effect apply on wallpaper. If you want to change this clock style, then simply change this clock style like this. Now simply tap on apply and look at this custom Flux theme apply on your lock screen. Guys, you also apply any custom videos from gallery on your Flux lock screen. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.